In today's fast-paced work environment, quality, efficiency, and safety are key to business success. Leverege WorkWatch is a suite of computer vision solutions that revolutionize operations and provide much-needed visibility for complex industries such as manufacturing and construction. Detecting defects as they happen eliminates downstream issues, reducing potential liability concerns and increases brand reputation, leading to happier customers and a healthier bottom line. Leverege WorkWatch automatically detects defects in real time and augments existing quality teams to ensure the best products are produced on time, every time. Worker safety is always a top priority. Leverege WorkWatch persistently monitors whether employees are wearing required protective gear like hard hats and vests, reducing the risk of injury and ensuring compliance. Need to measure productivity? With WorkWatch Headcount Tracking Solution, you can see exactly how many employees are working in each process or phase of a project, helping you properly allocate resources and ensure optimal staffing. WorkWatch also monitors foot traffic in real time, giving you insights into the number of workers in specific zones throughout the day and providing alerts when they enter restricted areas. Improve workflow and ensure everyone is where they need to be. Prevent loss and secure your assets with loss prevention detection. Leverege WorkWatch catches unauthorized activities, after-hours movement, or potential theft, providing peace of mind and protecting your investments. Boost efficiency by analyzing how long it takes to complete tasks, processes, and different phases of work, helping you streamline processes and maximize productivity. Transform your workplace with Leverege WorkWatch and take your operation to the next level.